Hey, YouTubers, 2009 BMW 550. No start. Cranks, but not firing up. Yesterday they changed the fuel pump, all right? And I can, there's no codes. Just so you know, there's no code. I can really control the pump from the scanner. Up, on, off, on, off. I can clearly see the pump running, but what's interesting is this. If I do the same thing and I try to feel for pressure coming out of the fuel pump system. It's a system. It's not just. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, it's pretty much this, and this. The whole thing is inside the tank. Just an example. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna click the scanner, click the pump with the scanner, and I'm gonna feel for fuel pressure at this hose, which is a fuel hose. Okay, so it has a little bit of a play there, like what I'm talking about is this. Boom, 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 boom. So I'm going to turn on the pump, and I'm going to see if that play that I feel is taken out by the pressure, and the hose goes in like a tense grip. And then if I let it go, I should be able to do that again. So here we go. The pump is running, and there's no pressure. There's no pressure whatsoever. So I think the problem is inside the tank with all those lines. They must have missed one inside the tank, or one of them plastic lines could have just straight up broke. So the job there is to pull the whole thing out and to see what happened there. Okay, all right, so it don't start because there's no fuel pressure. The fuel pressure is not coming, and the fuel is not coming out of the tank. All right, if you like it, subscribe, please.